Today I will teach you how to filter journals in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com, then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. After entering, proceed to the Journal module at the left side. Click the Journal module. After clicking, a field named Journal Filter will appear. Select the date range that needs filtering. Below there's two filter options that is available for the user to use. The vendor and customer. At this example we'll use vendor. Type in the company or proprietor's name at the vendors section. Then select the transaction journal below. I will select the purchase journal, so that I'll have an overview on all the purchase transactions the business had taken on this specific vendor. Leave the references number section blank. Then click the Submit button. After taking the action, notice how all purchase transactions have been displayed chronologically and within the set date range. The debit and credit are also included in filtering. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.